All right, great job, class. So we just finished reading Little Blue Truck. So now we're going to go over some of the verbs that we saw in the story. So in your essay, you are going to need to write a summary of the story, and I want you to write this summary in past tense. So we'll go over some past tense verbs. So first, what do we do for regular verbs to make them past tense? Very good. We add ed. Excellent. So yell is a regular verb. What's the past tense of that? Great job. Yelled. What about help? Very good. Helped. Push. Great job. Pushed. Some verbs, we just add D, like hear. So hear, what is the past tense of hear? Heard. Very good. So we just added D to that. When verbs end in a consonant Y, we need to do what? That's right. Get rid of the Y, add IED. So what is the past tense of cry? Very good. Cried. Past tense of try? Tried. Great job. All right. And then the irregular verbs. These ones are very difficult. You just really need to know them. There's no rule for a lot of them. Just need to know them. So what's the past tense of go? Very good. Went. Excellent. The past tense of say. Very good. Said. See. Saw. Excellent. Come. Came. Very good. And the last one. Run. Ran. Very good job. All right, so, like I said, in your essay, you are going to need to include a short summary of what happened in the story. So, what happened first in this story that we read? Anybody? You can just tell me one sentence at a time, and remember to use the past tense when you're saying what happened. So, what came first? Good, yes. The little blue truck said beep. Excellent. And then, after the animals said their different noises, who came along? Very good, yes. The dump truck came. And what did the dump truck do? The dump truck yelled, honk. Very good. And then, what happened to that dump truck? Got stuck. Very good. And when it got stuck, what did it do? That's right, it cried, help, help! And who helped the dump truck? That's right, the little blue truck. And then what happened to the little blue truck? It also got stuck. So, when the little blue truck got stuck and yelled for help, what happened then? Very good. All of the animals ran to help the little blue truck, and they pushed and pushed and got the little blue truck and the dump truck unstuck. Very good. So, in this, when you write the essay, we're going to do a little story web here as a class. So, you are going to need to include all of this information in your book report. So first, What's the setting? Where does the story take place? Very good. On a road, in a farm? Yeah. Anything like that. It's okay. Say, road near a farm. When we do a story web, you don't need to worry about grammar or sentence structure. These are just notes. You just want to get the information that you want so you can see it, and then you can go back and write the sentences correctly. So, we are also going to talk about the characters in the story. And you just need to include really the main characters. Who are the main characters? Who's the main one? Very good. Blue. And what do you think about Blue? Is Blue nice? Mean? What do you think? Yeah, Blue is a nice guy. I like Blue. Who's the other character? The other important character in the story? The dump truck. Very good. What do we think about the dump truck? Is the dump truck nice? No, that dump truck is mean. Very good. Alright, so you are going to write about the characters in your essay. Talk about who you like, who you don't like, and then the plot. The plot is what we just talked about. So, dump truck gets stuck. Got stuck. And then what happened? Blue helped, and then the animals helped Blue. And the last part that you are going to need to write about in your essay is the moral. That is what we learn from the story. What does it teach us? So what did you learn from the story? Very good, yes. So when Blue gets stuck, what do all the animals do? Yes, very good. They go to help him because Blue is a good friend. And the moral of this story is be nice to your friends, be nice to other people, and they will help you if you need help. But if you're mean like the dump truck, nobody's going to help you if something happens. So, the moral? Be nice. And I want you, in your essay, to write about a time when you were nice or someone else was nice and it helped you, or that was a good thing. So write a story about your life. I'll tell you my story. One time when I was in school, there was a new student, and some people weren't very nice to the new student, but I was nice to him because why not? And then when I was driving home, I had a small car, and my car got stuck in the snow. He had a big truck, and he drove by me and recognized me, and he gave me a ride home because I was nice to him. So he helped me. Alright guys, now you are going to get into pairs and work on your outlines of your story. So you'll use all of this information and work with your partners to create an outline for your story. Alright, thank you.